Welcome, coaster spotters, to Six Flags Great Adventure and construction update number 3 for the Jersey Devil coaster. It is November 16th, so let's take a look around the entire site, as it has been about a month. Since we last showed you the construction site, they have now completely cleared the site, from what we've been told, and they have broken ground officially. So with luck, we will see some footers before the end of Holiday in the Park, which goes on until the 1st of next year. So that is going to be it for this update. We will not be back with another update until we really see some good amount of progress, footers, maybe some concrete poured. But be sure to subscribe to keep informed. Hit that notification bell. Check out the playlist for the other videos. And hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Alex.